Awesome. Welcome to the Instagram Starter Mission. Now, this is an exciting exercise that we're going to do together, and it's really going to define how this course is taken by you and really get you an amazing result out of it. Because what we're doing, and you can download the booklet. If you haven't already, you just click the resources in the curriculum and download this and print it off like I have here, or you can just open it on your computer. But we're going to, in the starter mission, get access to literally billions of dollars of Instagram research. There's massive companies out there spending millions of dollars on their research and development and trying to figure out what's working the best on Instagram. And we're going to go and follow these accounts and write these accounts down, both in general, so your dream accounts, the top 10 accounts that we're going to follow, so we can see how often they're posting, what their bio looks like, what's their photo look like, and what are they innovating on that we can replicate. But we're also going to do it to our close competitors. So for example, if I was a pizza store in Miami, if I ran Miami Pizza, I would like to go and follow other pizza stores in Miami to see what they're doing, as well as bigger stores in general to see what content they're posting that we can replicate for ourselves and get the same results that these massive companies are getting for ourselves. So here we are on our phone. I've got my printout ready, and we're going to go and find 10 dream accounts for you to follow. And then I'm going to show you how to find 5 close competitors that you can follow that are going to be more relevant to the sort of content and stuff that you're putting out in your specific niche. So starting with the dream accounts, we have to start with Instagram, of course, because we want to succeed on Instagram. And who better to follow and who better to replicate than Instagram themselves? They know what direction they're heading. They know what they want profiles to look like. They know what sort of frequency that you should be posting at. So come in and click that follow button on Instagram, grab a pen and write it down in your action workbook sheet as well. And from here, what we're going to do is we're going to come back to our homepage. Now we've done that, and this is a brand new Instagram account. So the benefit of this is it actually is going to recommend me really popular accounts that Instagram themselves like. So I actually went into National Geographic in the first take of this video, and I followed them. So National Geographic, I want you to go and follow as well and write down on your sheet. And if you don't like any of these, obviously you don't have to follow all of these, but I'm giving you some ideas of the dream accounts that you will have for you to write down. Because literally, if you can come and replicate what these people are doing, you're going to have similar success to them, because you're going to be putting out the same type of content at the same frequency to the same sort of people, and you're going to be recommended in these person's feeds. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do all of this down the line. But we just want to build up this list of high converting, really popular Instagram accounts that are doing well. The other one I like is Ellen DeGeneres. She's got over 70 million followers, and her content is a really good one to sort of replicate and use as inspiration, because it's normally very viral centered content, even though it's still relevant to our brand. And I'll show you what I mean by that as we get into this course and start breaking down these accounts a little bit more specifically. Nike, always a staple. They got 90 million followers. They spend tens of millions of dollars on research on what to post on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and their social media profiles every single year. So we want to get access to what the results that they're getting out of that is. So we're going to come in and type. We're just going to click that follow button there. And once again, in the course, we'll break down their content. We'll break down their imagery. We'll break down what sort of stories are they posting and why. I want to come and follow Coca-Cola, because even though they only have 2.6 million followers, they're normally much better on Facebook. But I do enjoy the sort of content that they post, and they get very high engagement rates on their content. So we want to make sure we come in and we sort of replicate what they're doing on Instagram for our own Instagrams. More suggestions popping up down here. Someone like Apple, really good to follow. So we're going to use them as our dream account. You can just scroll across. We can do Disney. And remember, these don't have to be related to your niche yet. I'm going to show you in a second how we can get our close competitors and model them, and how we modeled our close competitors. We didn't reinvent the wheel when we got over 50,000 followers in 8 weeks. We literally modeled what was doing well. We're just modeling success, and therefore we're putting our feet in the footsteps of the people who were successful before us, and we're getting the same results that they're getting. This is just the Instagram setting of this. So Lamborghini will be a cool one to come and follow. And make sure if you if you're a big coffee drinker and you like Starbucks, or if you don't like Starbucks and you like, I don't know, Gloria Jeans. I don't know if that's an Australian brand, but if there's a coffee company that you like, go and follow these ones too. You want to be excited, you want to be passionate and happy to follow this sort of content and like this sort of content. But in terms of really cool accounts, you want to go into the fashion niche, because there's a lot of modeling, there's a lot of photography on Instagram, and these fashion brands such as Gucci or Versace or whatever, these accounts that you like, the fashion brands that you like, come and follow them, because we'll be breaking them down together. Audi, I really like Audi's social media, not just on Instagram, on Facebook. If you've got our Facebook course, you'll see us break down a lot of Audi as well. And you can come in and follow 10 dream accounts. 10 accounts that do really well. If you come back to your homepage and refresh, you'll start to see updates from them, and we can start to break them down in our research. But before we do that, I want to show you exactly, by coming back to that magnifying glass icon, how to find people who are more your competitors. Now, I used pizza as an example, so let's stick with pizza. I'm going to type accounts. So you can see I just click that accounts button, and I'm going to type in pizza. And you can see the big pizza companies, of course, are Pizza Hut. Come and follow them, because they're going to be very relevant to your niche. If you run a pizza store, you want to see what other pizza stores, specifically the biggest pizza store, with 1.5, sorry, my mouth is not working right at the moment, but the ones with 1.5 million followers, they have to be doing something right. So we're going to come and follow them. We're going to have a look at what Daily Pizza is. You can see it seems to be a really cool fan account. So we actually want to follow those, because I'm going to show you how you can use viral sort of fan accounts and hybrid accounts, which we're getting into all this in the course. So we can come and follow them. You can see Domino's are coming out, but what I actually want to do is type in Pizza Miami, so we can see some more accounts of our direct competitors. You can see this is Fire Pizza Miami. That's coming out. Miami's Best Pizzas down here, so we can follow them. And you can see your close competitors. Now, these accounts are really small, so there's a lot of room in here to come and do this right, especially if you're a pizza shop in Miami, because no one seems to be doing really well. But if you were in a bigger niche, for example, I'm in entrepreneurship, I can type in entrepreneur, and I can follow bigger entrepreneur accounts with relevant followings, like Entrepreneurship Facts. You see they've got almost 1 million followers. They're obviously putting out the right sort of content. They're networking with the right people. They're getting the right power engagers, the right DM groups, the right shout outs, the right bio. They've got everything going well, and I want to follow these people who are doing well in my niche. So I can't help you specifically for whatever your niche is, because I don't know what your niche is. But if it's fashion, go and look at the fashion brands. If it's life coaching, go and look at the life coaches out there. Go and just simply type in your keyword in this search bar, which is in the magnifying glass in the Discover tab, and you'll be able to find people who are your close competitors, who I'm going to show you exactly how to break down and even end up working with inside this course, because we want to get you to 10,000 followers as quickly as possible. So that's the Instagram starter mission. I'm looking forward to doing this whole course with you. I'll be back to check in and walk you through all the exercises that you're learning, so you can start getting results immediately. So thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next lecture.